Hello folks, today we have a beautiful 54-inch Emerson Cornerstone CF-1 in oil rub bronze and walnut blades. This fan came to me brand new in the box, which is really cool. So it came with all the parts. It came with the long down rod with the little coupling on it, or the little ball on it. Came with the down rod sleeve, and it came with the two extra blade arms to rock the fan in a 2-blade configuration. So yeah, let's get a better look at it here. All right. It's very nice. It's brand new in the box, so. There's your tag. Has this newer Emerson chain fob on it. This fan's from about 2010 or so. There is a reverse switch like right here. Beautiful walnut blades. So yeah, that's pretty much a closer look at it. Very nice fan. So let's go ahead and turn it on here. Fan uses the Emerson K55 motor. I believe this one is the K55XL. I believe the later CF1s came with that motor. For those that don't know what this fan is, this is a replica of Emerson's first ceiling fan back in 1895. The original version of the fan had 2 blades, and they are very rare. I've never really seen a picture of them, or of one, so I don't know how accurate this replica is, but you can tell they put a lot of attention to detail in it. Here is medium. Fan's got a good range of speeds. It's got a 14-degree blade pitch. If you choose to put the 2 blade arms on it, that'll make it up to be a 20-degree blade pitch. I just think 4 looks better. And here's high. Very good performer, as usually all Emersons are, or Emerson stack motor fans. And it's blowing stuff off the coffee table, so we know it's a good performer. And we'll let her coast. As much as I like this fan, I don't have a light kit for it, and I really do like having a light kit in the living room. So I probably will be taking it down, but excuse me, definitely not a fan I'm wanting to let go. I was very fortunate to find one, and very fortunate to find one new in the box. So. And it has walnut blades, which is my favorite finish. blades actually go perfectly with this room. I also remember seeing pictures of these like on Emerson's website when I was a kid, when I first figured out the internet. I saw pictures of these on the web and I thought they were really cool. They're actually a lot bigger in person too. And I am pretty excited that it came with a longer down rod as well. You know, if I choose to install this somewhere in a future house with higher ceilings, I have that option. And there you have it, folks. It's a 54-inch Emerson Cornerstone model CF-1. Thanks for watching.